Hello and welcome to the Online Force. I'm Robin, and in today's Wix tutorial I'll show you how to rename your Wix site. Let's dive straight in. So you've signed into your Wix site and we're on the dashboard. We're on the setup page, and up towards the top right you'll see three dots. Click on those, and on the drop down list you're looking for rename site. Click on that and it takes you to this box. We can delete what's in there if there is anything in there, and then simply add a new name. Success site. Then down at the bottom right, click Save. Simple as that. In the background, Wix will make the changes that you need, and that's it. Job done on this one. A very simple fix. And that's it for today's tutorial. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to change the site title. This is the Online Force, and I'm Robin. Keep building, keep learning, and may the force be with you always.